Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mooni's Accounting Academy. In this video, I would like to tell you about Term 1 Accountancy Examination, how many questions you have in each section, and from each chapter how many questions you will get in the examination, and how many questions you need to attempt from each section. Let us discuss about this in this video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So let me take up the information about our Term 1 examination, which will be conducted by CBSE in the month of December, and you need to start a serious preparation because you have 2 months time, and this is the very crucial time for all the students. And in these 2 months, watch my videos regularly. I will be updating you about the CBSE information as well as regular revision of each chapter through my channel. I would like to help the student community in getting very good marks. And let me begin the information about the section wise questions. Term 1 examination, you have total 55 questions, and out of which you have to attempt 45 questions. Okay, and let us discuss from each chapter how many questions you will get, and in each section also. You know that the question paper is divided into part A and part B, and in part A you have 3 sections: section A, section B and section C. You can watch it what I am telling you now. In section A, from fundamentals of partnership, you will get 4 questions. In section A, from fundamentals of partnership, you will get 4 questions. In section B, you will get 5 questions, and in section C, of course, no question will be given on fundamentals of partnership. Section A and section B, you will get a total 9 questions from fundamentals of partnership. So, you know that what are there in the fundamentals of partnership. Okay, right from the legal provisions in the absence of partnership deed, interest on capital, interest on drawings, fixed capital method, fluctuating capital method, P&L appropriation account, past adjustments, guarantee, all these topics are included in this fundamentals of partnership. Then you have reconstitution. From that, in section A you will get 3 questions, in section B you will get 1 question, and in section 3 you don't get any question. Of course, this analysis has been done by referring to the CBSE model paper that is released, and 99% they follow the same model paper, same pattern what they have released, maybe 1 or 2 questions here and there, not more than that. So for that also we must prepare, and the teachers, we should inform you also all these things before you go for the examination, because all of a sudden it should not be a shock in the examination that we have these many questions, but our sirs told us these many questions only, like that. Not like that. You don't have that extremes in the examination. 99% they follow the same pattern, no doubt about it. 100% also you can expect, but maybe we are going with slight playing safe policy in our accounting terminology, right? So just 1 or 2% this or that, but 99% we will get the same pattern. So from reconstitution you will get a total 4 questions. Those 4 questions are from section A and section B only. Then on admission of partner you will get in section A 4 questions, section B 5 questions, section C you will get 3 questions. It is appearing on the screen. So here total you will get from partnership in section A 11 questions, section B 11 questions, section C 3 questions. So that is 25 questions from partnership. Okay, and then on company accounts, section A and section B, section C. In all the three sections, you have the questions on company accounts. In section A you have 7, in section B you have 7, and in section C you have 2 questions. So total you will be getting 16 questions from company accounts, right? So in company accounts, you know what are the topics, and in my videos we will revise all the topics which are there in the term 1 syllabus in the next videos onwards. And in company accounts, you have right from the theory part of companies, what is a company, what are the different types of companies, what are the shares, different types of shares, ESOP concept, and issue of shares, forfeiture of shares, reissue of shares, and reissue in different methods, and issue of shares for other than cash. So all these things are there in company accounts, and all the students, you must have thoroughly done by this day all the sums with the support of your teachers. And from my channel also I will be extending my support to the student community by releasing the videos on different topics of term 1. And then coming to next part B, you have ratio analysis in section A 4, section B 4. So total 8 questions on ratios, and balance sheet items and financial statements, you have total 3 questions in section A and 3 questions in section B. So you will be getting total 6 questions in section A and B from financial statement analysis, that is part B of our term B syllabus. Okay, so total how many questions you have in section A 41, and section next part 11 questions. Okay, so how many questions you have total? 41 in section A, that is part 1, and part 2 you have total 14 questions. 41 plus 14, total 55 questions you have in your examination. It's clear? Next, you will be seeing the next slide, in which you have you can see that the asterisk marks in section B 11, there are 2 asterisk marks, and in section B in company accounts there is 1 asterisk mark. So let me tell you about this slide. Please all of you watch this slide and this explanation very carefully, because this is based on assertion and reasoning questions. So wherever you find the star mark there, in that section you have assertion and reasoning questions. So that means in section B you have 2 questions. You can see there are 2 asterisk marks there. So that means you have 2 assertion and reasoning questions from partnership, and 1 assertion and reasoning question from company accounts. So total 3. Then come to next part, that is on ratios. You have 2 asterisk marks there. You can see there are 2 asterisk marks in section B in ratio analysis. So where the 5 questions are asked. Okay, so that means there are 2 assertion and reasoning based questions in ratio analysis. So total how many questions you have? Assertion and reasoning. So total you have 3 plus 2, and there is 1 question in part section A in P&L and balance sheet items. You can find in section A profit and loss balance sheet items, there 1 question. So total 5 plus 1, 6 questions you have, total assertion and reasoning questions. And why I have made this video today, I would like to tell you this. The question paper pattern must be understood thoroughly by the students, and teachers also must have told you the pattern and what type of questions you will get and what are the assertion and reasoning questions, how many questions you have this, how many questions you have in section A, like that. The teachers must have already informed you during these days. Okay, and now so let us discuss another important information on term 1 examination. As you know well, you have MCQ pattern, and in MCQ pattern so many students ask us, sir, what if I commit a mistake in answering it? Suppose you thought that option A is the correct option and you encircled it. Later on you realized that option A is wrong, option B is the correct option. What to do? And you, as per the CBSE circular, 2 options if you put there, that is not accepted. So that's why after a few days CBSE has released another circular where it is clearly mentioned that you have a 5th column where you can change your answer. Please try to understand it. You need not worry about it. Even if you commit a mistake, there is an option given by CBSE to change your answer. That means option from this to that. It is very helpful for the students to score very high marks because the students are in very much tension. So that's why all the schools are conducting the pre-board examinations or practice tests, assignments, even through MCQ pattern only. Okay, so I hope you have understood these points, whatever I have said on term 1 examination.